Welcome to today's review, where we'll dive into the features and functionality of the Giantex folding massage table lash bed. Whether you're a professional therapist, a student in training, or someone who simply enjoys the luxury of a massage at home, this massage bed might just become your new favorite companion. Let's talk about portability first. The ability to fold this massage table and tuck it into its carrying case makes it incredibly convenient for transportation and storage. Perfect for those who are always on the go or have limited space at home. Now, onto comfort. The thickly padded sponge, combined with the high-density foam, ensures that your clients or you, if you're using it at home, can relax without worrying about discomfort. The faux leather surface is not only easy to clean but also waterproof and oil-resistant, which is a huge plus in any massage setting. This package comes with all the accessories you need for daily use, including a forward armrest shelf, an adjustable headrest with a removable face cradle, and side arm extenders. It's like having a complete spa experience right at your fingertips. Durability is also a key feature here. The advanced material fabric cover, along with the sturdy hardwood construction and double knob leg adjustments, gives this massage table a weight capacity of up to 441 pounds. You can rest assured that it's built to last. Finally, let's talk about size. At 72 inches long and 27 inches wide, with an adjustable height ranging from 24 to 34 inches, this massage table is perfectly sized for both use and transport. It's lightweight at only 31 pounds, making it easy to carry wherever you need it. In conclusion, the Giantex folding massage table lash bed is a fantastic investment for anyone looking for a reliable, comfortable, and portable massage solution. Whether you're a professional therapist or simply enjoy the occasional massage at home, this massage table has got you covered. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.